Introduce features interest for MIUOWANP Automatic Robot Vacuum Cleaner. You can find wanted here. Shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs. Filter by specification, type, brand and more. Features highlight or overview summary are include. Smart wireless robotic vacuum cleaner, vacuums tile, hardwood flooring and short carpet. Bringing you electronic automated hands-free cleaning. Rechargeable battery, 4-hour charging time and about 90 minutes work time. The automatic vacuum cleaner's air filter keeps air pure and filters fine dust particles inside dustbin. Robot's no-brush design and powerful suction won't clog with dog or cat pet's hair like units with a rotating underbrush. The white electric vacuum robot features a 2-inch thin low profile. Cleans under indoor furniture, couch or bed in your room or house. Detachable dustbin make debris disposal simple and accident-free. The robotic floor cleaner has 2 spinning auto side sweeper brushes that extend the reach of the vacuum and rotate to catch dirt and debris in any corner and on hardwood floors. Turn around automatically when encountering obstacles, without getting stuck. If you want to get highlight features and full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. In addition, if you think our channel is useful for you, you can press to subscribe us and press the bell, look for all, press to get instant notifications of all future uploads.